Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you use backup code for Instagram two-factor authentication. So to use Instagram backup code for two-factor authentication, you first need to have two-factor authentication enabled and have access and saved your backup code. And when logged in your or when logging in from a new device or encountered issue with your usual two-factor method, you could use as a backup method. So what you want to do is first of all open the Instagram app and enter username and password. And if you can't access your phone or other two-factor method, you could then make sure to use the other backup code. So I'm gonna quickly use another account. So what I'm gonna do is here type in my password. So I'm just gonna click on forgot my password. So when I do this, you could go ahead and look for these options as either entering your email or username, right? So click on the continue button. You could also use this option as search by mobile number instead. And basically what you could do is click on the continue button and you could find these codes, right? So you could also look for other way, or you could just click on try another way. And if you can't access your phone or other two-factor methods, you could look for need more help or similar option, usually located near the verification code entered field. And this will switch the login method from a verification code to use a backup code and input one of the 8-digit backup code you previously saved. So once the code is verified, you will be logged into your Instagram account. And that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.